Now, we are going to test emergency generator. Now, outside. Oh. This thing, ha? Video. We're going home now. Oh, we're going home. This thing.
More from Hawaii. Look at my hair, dude.
Me too. Okay, mag-focus battery.
Now we're going to test the battery. And this is our electrician here. We will test this one. And may mga kasabihan tayo. Pare, bilang ng araw mo.
Kasi OS pa. Oh, Jan, kamusta? Ano masasabi mo? Ganyan nangyari sa'yo. Sa may video ba?
Oh?
Sabi na pagbigay ni Euler ng video ba? Oh, Jan, kamusta? Ano masasabi mo? Ganyan nangyari sa'yo.
Sino?
Si OS ba sa video? Dalawang beses yung pinanood. Kinatapa ako.
This is our battery for our nuclear. We will launch in China. Ready to launch. This is a nuclear 5130F51 20021K light, and you're listening to DJ Ron here. Thank you for requesting this song, and magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Woo! Okay, this is we call this one is this is
This is our chief engineer here.
yeah
Watching us for the testing of battery.
There's always a caution here. Let's say this caution it says that
Caution.
rotating part do not touch power transmission. Okay, and this one it's good 133. Yeah, on the other side, and the 11368. Oh, ang unang bola 1368. Isulat na doon. Yun po ang listahan ng record namin. Ito po ang Grand Lotto prizes. Yun po ang mga pauwi na po. Pauwi na po kami. Ang mga kumpare namin dyan. Anong sasabi nyo? Bilang ng araw nyo. Kami naman.
Kami naman sa asawa namin.
Pakiulit.
Kami naman sa asawa namin.
Yo. Magbalot-balot ka na pare. Hindi makita ng anak ko. Hindi makita ng anak mo yan. Imbis na ipatingin mo. Pag malapit na dyan, basta ganyan. Cut mo muna, i-pause mo. Ipakita mo yung snow lang.
I-hide.
I-hide mo.
Labakan mo na ang ating iting.
Anong masasabi mo, kaibigan?
No comment.
Ha? No comment.
Pop.
Ayan na.
Oh, yun.
Global na pressure.
Siyempre, nawala na yung video niya eh. Kasi ginawa mo.
Tawag yan, Rere.
Wala nang reset yan, leg. Pag yan, blue ball na yan.
Ito, engine room.
Nindot mo?
Oh. Mag-alarma pa yan doon sa control.
Alarma na.
Oh.
Dito start na.
Manual,
Start
auto.
natin. Oh.
Tubaltad eh.
Ha?
Oh. Paano yon sa live boat?
Sa lifeboat naman tayo hindi nakasama dyan. Sobrang lamig. At ang alam ko, kape na. Kape muna tayo.
Baka mag-meeting tayo.
Ay, ngayon?
Safety meeting, of course.
Okay, let's go and find out what's going on there. And this is our glorious glory here, and you're listening. We're at the Bering Sea, and the weather today is very cloudy and snowy. Did you see the water rises and goes down?
Nabuti nga mo, Ford. Wala na pero maliit.
Okay, what can you say?
Ano, video pa?
Huh?
Post.
Pose.
Oh, walang post yan.
No pose.
Post, meron.
Okay.
Very cold.
This is Bering Sea near Alaska. Yesterday it was 13 and today it was 15.
IDL, International
Date
Date
line.
Line.
Just
We are now advanced in
cross
1
the
hour.
ideal line.
Okay, next cameraman, this one. This is our very
Dandahan ha? Dandahan.
slowly.
Oh? Tubig.
Sino kasama din?
Tama ka, Bert? Ha? Kayo lang masirado?
Ha?
Ako lang ha? Okay. Yeah, Bert.
Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes.
Lamig.
Hiccup ng gasol!
Kunti ka.
For congressman.
Hey! Look at the waves! What day? Look at the waves! Yeah, see, very big. Very big. Very big waves here. Very cool.
Yeah, now we're entering the grandstand of Glorious Glory for graduation. Where's honor for
The salutatorian is coming upstairs. Thank you! And now, the person that I'm on mentioned and tapos Hagasam.
And now the janitor.
Hey!
And now the janitor is coming up. Malamig. Okay, my test battery testing.
Okay, battery testing for the next round. It is the job for our off-signing electrician here.
What here?
Here. Oh, you're so very deep.
How deep is your love? Oh, focus. Right. Camera. The battery is green. So, battery is good. Okay. Now, we are going to measure the voltage here. If it is 13 point
Something.
plus.
Okay.
Now, the terminal is very clean. Huh? Red, positive.
Okay.
Black is white.
Black
Reading.
is good. The reading is... Oh! It's baliktad, wait.
12.22. No, baliktad.
The camera is baliktad.
Why?
Okay.
Lamig.
Si Viper, papanda si Viper.
Oh, sige. Video eh.
Dandahan, para kunwari.
Test, wipe, and...
This is our third engineer here, Okay. Battery first, you switch the battery to
Pindot po lang.
pindot pula.
Kayo. Supot.
Sabot daw.
Supot.
Sabot na rin nila.
Dito ka, eh. Dito ka, cameraman. Doon. I-focus mo kayo, wiper.
Woo!
Glow muna.
While you blow the lights, you
Please, smile.
smile the camera because the camera is very good. Okay. Whoa, my hands is freezing. Very cold outside. Okay. Okay, good. Smile first. Before you touch anything, just smile on the camera. Okay. Okay, alright.
Drive ka muna.
Okay, this is our instructor here. Oh! Ano yun? What's that?
Pati, nagdahan lang.
Sira ulo. Yeah. Sira ulo yan. Ewan ko. Ano yan eh? Chip. Astern. Engine down. Sa stern, sir. Full astern, sir. Mid-chip, sir.
Mid-chip, sabi ko.
Mid-chip.
Slow astern.
Slow astern, sir. Stop engine. Stop. Engine now stop, sir. Naka-on pa, oh.
Sige. Okay. Battery.
Battery, sir.
Battery.
Slow down, Mr. Chief Engineer.
Ibalik sa zero.
Sabot.
Zero.
Zero pala ako sabot.